Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about map function in JavaScript. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so far we have learned about arrow functions in JavaScript, spread operator in JavaScript, string literals, and restructuring of objects in JavaScript. In this video we're going to learn map function. So I hope you are already familiar with the for loop in JavaScript. Let's suppose we have an array, let's name it ARR, and we have some values inside it. Suppose it's Mayank, Atul, or Rahul, or Harsh. Okay, now if I want to iterate through all these values, what I need to do, I need to put this array inside a for loop. Let's take another array which is an empty array. Empty array equals to this. Okay, what if I want to just add all these values of this array inside my empty array? What I can do is I can write this array inside a for loop, and I can just push all those values one by one inside this empty array. But I do have another option as well. Let's write a function for that. Let's just create a function, add values, or just name it my map function. My mapping. Let's write it my mapping. Okay, so I'll write an arrow function for that. This fat arrow sign. Okay, now what I need to do is to iterate through all the values of this array. So I'll write array dot map, and there we go with our map function. We need to write this arrow function inside our mapping like this. And what these parentheses is doing, whatever value we have inside this array, one by one we will take that item. You can write whatever name you want to inside this parenthesis. What it basically is, it is the value that we are taking on each iteration outside of this array, and inside this map function we can use that, we can just print that, or we can add that in some other array as well. Let's write empty array dot push and the value that we want to push inside it, the item. Alright, so guys, if I want to print this new empty array, let's print it right here first to see if there is anything inside it. As we already know, it is an empty array. Still, I am just printing it right for you to get to know how we are making the changes inside this empty array, and I'll print it after my mapping. Okay, now let's call this mapping function also. Okay, I have called my mapping function. After that, I'll again print this empty array. Let's just save this file and go back to our terminal. Go back to the path of our project, that is cd desktop/javascript. Inside it, just write node arrow.js and hit enter. And there you see, first we had an empty array, and when we put all those values one by one inside this empty array, it becomes this. So guys, that is how we work with the map function. So this is basically a map function. This is how mapping is working. If you want to just simply print all those values, you can just write console.log, and you will get all the items one by one inside this. You just save it, just remove this console, just remove this one as well. Go back to the terminal and just, yes, there we go. I told you it iterates through each one of the value inside that particular array, and that is the proof of that, what I was saying. So that's how we use our mapping function. So you can use it wherever you like to, wherever you use your for loop. Maybe you can just remove that for loop and use this map function for that if the situation suits you. Alright guys, that's all about mapping or the map function inside JavaScript. If you have any doubt, please write that in the comment section down below, and I'll surely reply to that. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. And yes, please do not forget to watch all the videos in this playlist so that you can get a good hold on all the basics of JavaScript. So guys, that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Jai Hind.